Hey everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial from videocourse-center.com. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your photos to awesome paintings, and you will learn how to create fantastic animations from your photos. You don't need any prior knowledge of After Effects to create this amazing painting effect. We'll start by adding a cartoon effect to our photos. Then I will use some ink drop effects to reveal the photo. Then you will learn how to create edge lines from your image, and also you can create awesome animations by those edge lines. You will learn how to use blending modes to create different variations of the cartoon effect. Then we will create a nice vignette effect together, and finally you will learn how to render your beautiful animation in Adobe After Effects. So if you like to turn your photos into amazing paintings and create a beautiful animation of them, enroll now and I will see you in lesson 1. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.